Hello, my name is Serang Bakula. In this video, I will discuss about English student perception toward implementation module Nusantara of student exchange program. On April 12, 2021, the Ministry of Education and Culture or Kemendikbud launched the Student Exchange Program PMM as a form implementation of the Independent Learning Campus MBKM policy. Student Exchange Program PMM is a student exchange program that is carried out for one semester between Muslim from one region to another but from PTN to PTR vice versa. Through this program, the university or origin is required to provide a maximum conversion of plus or minus 20 credit. This program aims to build a sense of tolerance between students through meeting space from through student exchange activities and exploration of Indonesian cultural diversity. In this program, students will also explore the diversity of Indonesian culture. Through learning the Modul Nusantara. Modul Nusantara is the series of learning activities aimed at creating a comprehensive understanding of diversity information, reflection, and social contribution. Modul Nusantara teach to know, preserve, and maintain each other in accordance with the symbol of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. With the Nusantara module course, students can explore the culture of Sabang Merauke widely. Research question: What are the English student perception toward implementation module Nusantara of student exchange program? The objective of research to find out the students' perception toward implementation module Nusantara of student exchange program. Well, the next slide is significance of the research. In the first is for the lectures. This is research can be helped to understand about the module Nusantara course to provide for lectures is providing an understanding of the independent curriculum to student exchange program. In the second for readers, the readers see how this research can be useful for readers, especially to students who will take part in student exchange program as an illustration and an insight into module Nusantara. And the last, for further research, the research can be useful as a reference and can be even better. The next, research methodology. In this study, research include qualitative methods determining student perception of the implementation of the module Nusantara, the Independent Student Exchange Program or PMM, using interview techniques to several students will hit perceived in the Independent Student Exchange or PMM. According to Moelong, 2005, the SIG qualitative research is research that intends to understand phenomena about what is experienced by a research subject, such as behavior, perception, motivation, action holistically by way of description in the form of word and language in the context. The next slide they will be discussed is key terms and definition. The first, Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka or MBKM is a policy launched by the Minister of Education and Cultural Nadiem Makarim, which aims to encourage students to master various sciences as a profession worth of work. The second, Student Exchange Program or PMM. The Independent Student Exchange Program is one of the government policies that provides opportunities for students study at other universities outside their campus for one semester. The next is the third, namely Modul Nusantara. Is a compulsory course for PMM students that focus on creating a comprehensive understanding of diversity, inspiration, reflection, and social contribution. And the fourth is perception. Is the process of understanding, giving meaning to information to a stimulus. Perception includes all signals in the nervous system, which are the result of physical or chemical stimulation of the sensing organs or Wikipedia. The last is implementation. Is the action or implementation of a plan that is prepared, careful, and in detail. In the simple terms, implementation can be interpreted as implementation or application. Okay, the next slide. Review the study. To avoid the assumption of similarities with this study, the research include of previous studies flow. The first, Woolen et al. 2023, the research released the title Dampak Kuliah Modul Nusantara terhadap mahasiswa program pertukaran mahasiswa merdeka atau PMM. The second, Purba et al. 2023, the research raised the title Pengaruh Kegiatan Kebinekaan Modul Nusantara Program PMM dalam meningkatkan pengetahuan budaya mahasiswa. And the three, from Sirait et al. 2023, the research raised the title The Role of Modul Nusantara Subjecting Increasing the Values Local Wisdom of PMM Student Program. Then the fourth, namely Simbolon et al. 2023, the research raised the title Peran Modul Nusantara terhadap adaptasi cultural shock mahasiswa Universitas HKBP Nomensen. And the last, namely G et al. 2023, the research raised the title Efektivitas Pengembangan Karakter Mahasiswa melalui kebinekaan dalam modul Nusantara di program pertukaran mahasiswa merdeka. The next, we'll go inside theoretical framework. MBKM is one of the national programs from the Minister of Education and Culture, Nadiem Makarim, which has been adjusted to the needs of the industry revolution era for with the hope that students will be more competent and more masterful of the world of work with all its technologies advances. Aim of the program to improve to education and college graduates to be able to compete in the world of work, facing the increasingly advancing revolution era. Based on the theory above the result will try to find out what are the student perception toward implementation model Nusantara of exchange program. Next slide. Research design. In conducting this research, use qualitative method. Participant in this research are 7 students of English education study program class of 2020 who have participated in the independent student exchange of PMM program with research objectives so that they are to respond to research cases. Setting. The location or this is research will be held at campus one of the Indonesian Christian University of Toraja Angel Nusantara number 12 Makale, South Sulawesi. The research will begin in January 2024. Research instrument based on the objective of this study. Research interviews process of obtaining information for research purpose by means of question and answer while face to face between interviewer and the interview. Procedure of data collection in conducting this research. The research will use data collection with one interview to documentation. Technically of data analysis. The first one, data collection. The second, re-education. The three, data presentation or data display. And the last, conclusion, drawing verification. That's all my presentation. Thank you.